Morning, folks. Today's 13th July 2016. Uh, we are looking at yesterday's how European market. So what we have seen yesterday was the upside market in DAX. The market opened the gap up open, and then it continued to move upward. But as we have seen yesterday, this up move was not replicated in Indian Nifty market. And what we have seen in DAX is the DAX was moving sideways after moving into 10,000 range. So DAX is so this was a very historic resistance for DAX. And it doesn't play that much, but still it has some effect. It can easily cross this. But what we saw on the S&P index also, we should look at. So the S&P is making the new highs, new all-time highs. So yesterday's was also the new all-time high of 240. And again, today we get a new high of 215. So these highs are about the previous high of July 2015. That was 2126. So we got a down move and again up move. Let's look at daily chart how it looked. So it was 2116 and then we got a downside move. Then we are looking at the next bull move from this step 16. So we have reached a new high on the S&P. So seeing similar thing on Nifty. So if you look at the Nifty market, so after the March 2015 high, when we got a downward similar with continuing with the world markets, now we are in upward phase. Still we lag behind the S&P 500, the about 500. So there is a good chance that it may cover up this point, depending upon how Indian economy and government policies work. So as long as we see the GST implemented, we can get this in a swing high very easy. So the government policies are playing a good part in getting towards that. The Indian economy is stable and we can look at the 9,000 level very soon, depending upon how the market and market action take place. So there is a still positive chance. And looking at near term, so this high of 5508550. So there is a range here, that is working as the resistance. The earlier resistance was 83326 and that was covered last week, and now the next range is 8550 and 8580. So this range is required to cover to get to the next one. So how the world markets react and how they come terms right now. So that will impact that. Right now, there is a lot of positive signals coming from all over the world, from Japan, from US Fed decision. stimulus and the Japanese just announced stimulus. So if you consider this from way earlier in 2008, we have seen a huge of market from 600, almost 4 times the market has gone up. So market has still good potential before going to the next phase of downtrend. So you could say this would have been or may have been the next fall, and it would not have fall from this point. Most probably up to this point or this point, that is 4,000, 5,000. So this was saved from good monetary policy that you see, and that is a good comeback. Still, we have to look forward how the markets will react into the movements. So let's now look at how the today's Nifty futures market, the spot market was looking at. So we saw a good gap opening and then we saw gap close down. Then we again saw because the market was in a positive momentum, so we could have taken 4 trades on basis. First, for positive basis, the market is in positive direction, so we should look for positive. And for downward trade, because we have seen a good amount of upward movement from last week. So the market could play in the trading range. So considering that, we should be looking for both up and down trades. So we have taken this trade right here. Considering this was yesterday's resistance zone and now it flashed as support zone, taking trading. Also taking a trade here and taking profits here. Then again taking trade at this level on downside. Depending upon pressure, we have to look. We should take a buy trade or short trade. So buy this short trade we would have taken because of the inherent and the market pressure that was coming in, and we would have seen it clearly. Then again, after reaching this point, we would have taken this trade. So this trade had taken our profits at 10 or 15 pounds. Because the market is in trading range, we should not look for the range breakout. Look to cash in as soon as possible and what level we are comfortable with. So again, after you could see the same thing. There was a profit taking here again. The market, in the overall sense, you could say it is in downward range for today from high here, this lower high, then again lower high, and this lower high. So here lower, 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 so again formation of lower, again our lowest form. So basically, we could look from here and up trade and down trade. So we have to look for how the market pressure takes place in anything else. So there is a possibility that we could take a trade from here and up to 10 points from here. So let's look at 1 minute chart how it looks like. Yeah, I was saying, so this was down trade and up trade, then again down trade. And again, depending how you see this pressure is going, because this level was hold on lower 1 minute chart for a good amount of time. So when you see breaking of this, you could have taken a long trade from this side. This basically. And again, taking a trade here, we have taken trade here also. At this at this level, we take our profits. Again, uh, we are seeing the breakdown to the next level, 493. So on 1 minute chart, we could expect the market may go down from here. But we have to look because many time it happens that the market doesn't reach the lower level and has to go up from in between. So depending upon how the market forces it, how we look at it, you can say the market is acting. Let's look at the Nifty's futures market. So we could have taken trades there. Again, this was not visible on the spot market, but futures market we were taking trading. And this was very clearly visible on Nifty's spot market and also on futures market. So this was a good trade. 34 we could have got and 18 or 17. Again, after we came near this point, we could taken an early trade. Yes, but looking at the minute track, we could have taken this trade also. Taken out profits as soon as we can. Because we were expecting both side trades, so looking at the trading range perspective, we should look to take profits at specific intervals and as soon as our target terminus are reached. So this was the location we could have taken a trade in. We've seen support forming here and the break of support here from a good pressure. So this was the 200 and again what from lower level we could have taken at this point of time or at this bar. These two trades were done. Again the taken is from this point. Very near to this range, but still depending upon how we manage the trade. So there is a possibility of this trade going into this direction in this level again. And futures market is looking like that. But, uh, also on the spot market, you could see the Nifty is having a risk here. Selling is coming again here. So we could expect a dominate again from here. If we are expecting we should take profits at this point. So 95, 93. It's very small trade, but just take for profits. Same thing here. From this point we should take a profit 501, 502, 4. So this is okay. So what impact does we can expect from an European perspective on the Indian market is yet to be seen. Because we are seeing a good positive of 2 weeks market in European sector since the Britain exit vote has taken place. Now we got a down move and an up move, so we can expect the market can be in consolidation in European market also. So we can see a sideways market is there also. So depending upon situation, we should look what trade we can take afterwards. So what can you tell about this scenario? because we were looking at a trade from here and it reached this point and we are looking at again the lower lows and the lower highs formation of stock trade. So, so if the next higher formation takes place here, so about this point, the 5 and 6, so we can expect the market to go. And regarding this down move, we can expect it to be open. So still it is not that visible in the Nifty spot market. So this is very difficult. So better we should wait for our confirmation after this point where we should be taking control. So that's it for now. Thank you.